Hi, I'm Ibby Stevens.
And I'm Akshay Nambi.
This is the Deca Water Sustainability Corporate Challenge. Water sustainability is the practice of managing and using freshwater resources in a way that meets the needs of present and future generations. This applies to schools as well, where sustainable water use is the practice of managing water in a way that minimizes consumption and reduces the school's environmental impact. The school body of Interlake High School, the target market, consists of 1,500 students in grades 9 through 12 who live in Bellevue or Medina, Washington. The school population, as well as those surveyed, shows a wide range in gender, race, and income between each student, though the area's trends are of a high socioeconomic status, high education attainment, and a high concentration of employment in tech-related fields.
Our information gathering involves a survey sent exclusively to the student body of Interlake, interviews with Bellevue School District facilities and accounting personnel, self-documentation of locations of water sources, and water testing of found sources using testing strips. Upon asking the BSD Facilities and Maintenance Manager, it was confirmed that Interlake High School drinking fountains have built-in filters that are changed periodically, and the water that comes from faucets is treated at water treatment facilities in Seattle. PSD Accounting additionally explained that our high school has an annual budget of $120K to spend on water. We then analyzed the trends of student responses as well as the distribution of water sources around the school. The main means of obtaining water by students are from water fountains, bottle fillers, water tanks and portables, and vending machines. Interlake students are interested in drinking water for reasons such as staying hydrated, with food, and during physical activity in order of prevalence. Some of the challenges the responses touched upon included a lack of water fountains and fillers, the dislike of the taste of Interlake water, and the concern that Interlake water was unsanitary due to contaminants. 93% of the students surveyed who do bring a bottle to school use a reusable water bottle, though most do not use the fillers provided around the school. Interlake has 11 water fountains total, 3 of which have bottle fillers, meaning there are about 137 students per fountain. We also checked for chemicals in the water ourselves using water testing strips, and here are our results. Fluoride and sulfate levels are, while still safe, relatively high. The fluoride level in some locations was on the upper side of safe limits, and the higher sulfate levels could make water taste bitter, which are the cause of the chemical taste reported. With the difficult and unappealing access to fountains, most students who do need to drink water at school and do not have a filled water opt for Mountain Mist water dispensers, which use 5-gallon plastic jugs of water. Even though these jugs are 100% recyclable, the U.S. recycling rate is only 32%. Plastic waste is a major contributor to unsustainable water usage at Interlake, as well as most schools around the country. It is estimated that public schools in the U.S. alone produce 14,500 tons of plastic waste a day, mainly from food and water consumption.
To relieve the issue of plastic use, one solution is to encourage water fountain use over plastic alternatives. Attaching a mineral enhancer into fountains utilizes the technology of already established plumbing to push water through the enhancer with magnesium, calcium, and sodium chloride to improve both taste and hydration, two of the biggest student concerns in relation to water at Interlake. This will incentivize students to use water fountains over plastic alternatives, as well as incentivize schools to invest in more fountains, as there will be an increased student use with these changes. An investment in design that improves taste without sacrificing the safety of the water is a smart decision to improve the sustainability of water use at schools. It is uncomplicated but has highly positive reactions from the Interlake student body. The school additionally uses water for food preparation, regular plumbing, and agricultural greenhouses. While food and regular plumbing requires water services, the greenhouses in the school's horticulture centers and gardening are using city-treated water when it does not need to. The issue of watering the plants can be solved through rain barrels and a drip irrigation system. Bellevue has on average 161 days of rain annually, so utilizing rain barrels would provide plenty of water while minimizing the usage of treated water. Rain barrels are cost-effective, so when combined with drip irrigation, which minimizes consumption again through delivering water directly to the root, it will largely reduce Interlake's environmental impact. With over 7,000 school gardens in the U.S., saving drinking water through these methods will allow schools to save water and provide more safe drinking options to students, since money and resources can be easily saved and reallocated.
We hope to spread awareness of clean drinking water by creating an Instagram post on the school's ASB account, adding posters around the school, sending a report to our assistant principal secretary to post in the morning announcements, and posting our advert in the school-wide Interlake Teams channel. Most of Interlake High School students have an Instagram and follow ASB, so most students will be able to learn about clean water this way. Making posters would help raise awareness on clean drinking water too, as they've been successful in promoting clubs and school events. Finally, posting in the Teams and announcements will easily spread the message since all students have access to these through school-provided computers.
From our research of Interlake's school body, the elucidated issue is how to encourage students to use cost-effective and resource-conserving solutions to water consumption. Our solutions to solve both problems, where budget-friendly options are not only cheaper alternatives, like with rain barrels, but also highly reduce the environmental impact of our school by minimizing water wastage, like with drip irrigation and mineral enhancers to encourage water fountain use. By implementing our innovative solutions, Interlake High School can significantly enhance water sustainability, reduce plastic waste, and promote a healthier, more environmentally conscious student body, ensuring that our precious water resources are preserved for future generations.